As a global operating company, Izumi is committed to becoming a world-class enterprise. We focus on innovation, operation efficiency, and globalization strategy, mix our own comparative advantages. We continuously adjust our business plan and significantly expand our domestic and overseas markets. During past years, Izumi has established several subsidiaries in some markets, including Germany, Brazil, India, US, Vietnam, and Thailand. We set up our sales organization in more than 70 countries worldwide to strengthen our technical support and service capabilities. In addition, Izumi has set up a global innovation center and new technology testing center in China, which work with our German R&D center to connect Chinese and European technologies, integrate the innovative resources, and accelerate the promotion of new applications and new process technologies, so as to provide the best solutions for customers. Several outstanding solutions will be displayed and shared at Izumi booth at K 2022. We are looking forward to seeing you at K Show.